Do you approve, Cheeto? Do you approve, Oreo?
What do you think, little kitties?
I can't wait until there's a third one for you, Cora.
Me too. Oh yeah, now we've got 3. I'm so excited, y'all. I found one on Facebook Marketplace for a really good deal, and it already runs, so that's a bonus. But I definitely want to customize it. All 3 of us are gonna make our bikes our own, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have a blast hitting the open road with these, or should I say sidewalks. Let's go ahead and get started customizing them. Oh, your bike's nice and fresh, babe. Got it all cleaned up?
Yeah, we're about to put the
Not
graphics.
everything, just the plastics.
Oh, you got your new graphics kit you're about to put on.
Yup.
Where do these go?
On the fork tubes.
Fork tubes, wow. Oh, where do these go?
On the swing arm.
Wow. I can tell where this goes. This goes on the back.
Back. Oh, nice. Perfect.
Good job. Ooh, you went with the Red Bull. Love
Yep.
it.
Red Bull. It gives you wings.
Yep, that's right. Red Bull gives you wings.
That is gonna look awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll show you once it's on. Check out the finished Red Bull wrap. Jake's bike looks awesome. It's got the perfect wrap on it because his bike goes fast. Now it's time to head out to the shop and show you the journey of Grayson's bike.
Holy smokes!
Still raining.
Woo!
Made it out to the shop.
I own a dirt bike. I own a dirt bike. Boogie woogie. We're gonna keep it in here for a long time, Cora.
Yeah,
To refinish everything.
that way we can work on it.
And my new parts are supposed to be coming in a couple days.
All right, we've got baggies and a Sharpie
What is that for?
to label your bolts and stuff, like your different parts.
Hold on.
I'm not gonna need this.
Yep, we're gonna have a new fender, but keep going, almost there. Alright, see if you can take it off with your fingers now. Alright,
Nice. Thank you.
here's the bolt.
Did you put front fender?
Yep, front fender bolt.
Here's both of them.
All right.
Alright, you gonna take that fender off?
Oh, proudly.
What are you gonna do with that fender?
We're gonna throw this in the trash, okay? Because it's
Here.
honestly.
Before we throw it away,
Oh yeah,
need
great.
that metal.
Here, give me.
Alright, yep. This fender, it's seen better days.
Yep. Great.
Pull this. Watch out, don't get caught.
Oh,
Too late.
Pull that one.
Great.
Grab it back here.
okay, great cables for.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Is that enough to get the cable out? Okay, we got the cable out.
Nice.
Now pull it through there. Be careful not to rip the end off.
Scared.
Got the other brake cable.
I'm scared. He just snapped it.
You just snipped it right off there, didn't
Where's
you?
that little bolt thing?
Okay. Nice. Not too tight at
Oh,
all.
pro.
Yep.
All the way, because these are easy to strip out. Alright, perfect.
Can I just go?
You're doing such a good job.
Or can you make a bag?
Yeah. For the handlebars.
Yeah, just put handlebar clamps. See, it goes all the way through. And those thread into there. And these clamp on the handlebars.
All right, we got the handlebars off.
Handlebars off. We're gonna keep those. We'll just paint them up.
What do I put right
You
here?
can put them over there. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
All right.
Good job. We got some stuff taken off.
I think here we need to take these foot pegs off. There we go.
Okay.
Now we're cooking.
But yeah, we should do your frame white, do that silver, and then paint these like a gold color so they look like real, even though they're not really high. And then these right here,
Yeah.
I'm hoping we can use the trick that I know and get the rust to come off of them, and we'll just polish them up again.
Where'd you learn this?
By being a magician. Take your aluminum foil. You see how nasty and...
Can I try? Dad?
Yep. Alright, just like you're sanding it, just with the foil in the water. Look at that. Is it too?
Well, I'd say you guys got this thing completely broken down.
For the most part, it's pretty stripped.
All right, now Grayson's gonna start sanding this and making sure that it's ready for paint.
Hey guys!
All right, we've got the sanding squad.
How's it going? Welcome to day 2 of this good project that we're gonna take you from day 1 to whenever it is. And we got a helper today. His name is Zephyr.
What's up, Zephyr? Thanks for helping us
We're
out.
just sanding the chassis down. And so yeah.
Yep. Get all over that, Grayson.
Yep.
You're doing so good. You're all doing a great job. We're about to surprise Grayson with his bike frame. We're really excited. Jake took it to work today and painted it white. Grayson thinks that he's going to be coming out here to spray paint it after we sanded it last night. But to his surprise, his daddy put a professional paint job on it for him. He's about to be out here. Let's see his reaction.
We gotta move out the car. Move out. Yeah. You already painted it.
Surprise!
I took it to work today and painted it.
Really?
I wish we had sunlight. Be careful.
You do not have somewhere?
Oh. Oh no, he's gone crazy. Be careful. Don't hit yourself in the head with him.
Thank you, Dad. That's so cool.
You're welcome. I hope you love it.
I do.
We've got it safe in the game room for now.
Melo's singing a little tune.
Yeah, he is.
There she is, all painted.
Looks great, babe.
I stepped outside of the house one day and just found out how. Look at this.
What's up, Melo?
Some packages showed up today.
Huh? Whoa! So, would y'all like to come on the journey and open these with me? Okay, first package number 1.
What is it?
My gas tank.
Your gas tank. Let's see what's in the other 2.
Number 2. I got a
you got a sticker. Nice.
Cool. It is for my seat. It's some real dirt bike
A seat cover.
covers.
Nice.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah. What's the last box?
My
Your plastics. Yep, those are your plastics.
Wow.
That is awesome.
I thought they would be bigger.
That is cool. Yeah. I would leave the plastic on there for now, just so it doesn't get all scratched up
Yeah.
till we put them on. That's awesome, bud. Cheeto, I don't think you can fit in there, buddy.
But it can't go back. It needs to be.
You guys getting the seat kind of lined up and adjusted?
Yup, I think we got to carve out some of the gas tank to get the gas tank to drop lower. Then it'll fit the seat better.
Yeah.
Because right now, where the gas tank bolt lines up, the seat won't drop into position.
I mean, maybe.
Yeah.
It's where it needs to be
It is.
with the brackets, but it's too high up. It needs to lower down.
Got it to fit perfect, huh?
I don't know if it's perfect, but it's fitting pretty good.
Yeah, it does look good. Whoa, it's actually starting to look like a bike. Alrighty, guys. This was the seat cover that was on Grayson's seat originally. And this is the new seat cover. Jake reupholstered it himself, and it turned out amazing. This bike is going to be so cool.
On the road, don't get by the side.
You little dirt bike cowboy. He's got his boots on and everything.
Even with your
He's
gear
ready
on,
to saddle up.
even with your gear on, if you hit a mailbox, it's gonna hurt. So.
Alright, you got this.
All right. Which one's front? Which one's back?
Front, back.
And don't just the throttle. Just ease into it. So try it again. Pull up. Stop right here at this line. All right, that's pretty good. You could have gave it a little more throttle, but you were being easy on it. That was good. All right. Yep. When you turn around, stay out of people's yards.
Don't worry, guys. No Saturday would be complete without testing out the tornado sirens. That's what happens when you live in Oklahoma.
Took his hand off.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, we brought him out here, down here, so he has more room.
A little bit safer.
Definitely a lot safer. Yeah. Good job, cowboy. How was it?
It was fun.
You love it?
You were doing good.
You're doing a great job for your first time.
I went, yeah. I didn't get a road rash.
Yep, I'm proud of you for not getting any road rash. Good job.
Yeah, I've seen you riding through the ditch and everything. Yeah, you were doing good.
Yeah, I went right through there.
Went down over there.
Yeah, for a second I got some air. I went down there and then I got stuck for just a second. And then because I stopped the gas and I got stuck for a second, but I realized if I keep going, it won't let me get stuck. So I just went through there and I came down through. I went through there a little bit, down through. It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
You guys need to get one.